This is a brief introduction to the patented ADACONN APC Port Connectors, which can offer tremendous flexibility in hydraulic circuit design. These are high-pressure unions used with ADACONN flange adapters to join two SAE J518 flange ports together in a very short face-to-face distance. These flange ports being joined together can be the same or different sizes, the same or different SAE codes, or the same or different orientations. The APC has two threaded ends, each with its own metallic conical sealing face. These are ideally used together with two ADACONN socket head flange adapters. The ADACONN socket head flange adapters are the shortest in the industry. You will notice that there is no external wrenching surface. The adapter length is therefore as short as possible. The wrenching surface provided is an internal hex on the flange head end. A hex wrench is used to engage the internal hex for tightening purposes. The ADACONN socket head flange adapter comes in two varieties. The Adaflange, whose flange head is provided with a face sealing O-ring with a clamp type flange with fastener clearance holes. The second variety is an Adaflangeport, whose flange head has no O-ring with a companion type flange with threaded fastener holes. The ADACONN socket head flange adapters provide a way to adapt an SAE J518 flange port to a variety of male threaded ends, including NPTF, ORS, ORB, and JIC 37 degree. These adapters may be custom ordered in reducing sizes as required for your application. In this instance, the male threaded end is a JIC 37 degree end. Sealing is accomplished by a metal-to-metal interface. The male cone on the adapter fits against a female cone on the APC port connector. The included angle of the female cone is slightly larger than that on the male end, so that the metal-to-metal contact is at the minimum diameter. This minimizes the area wetted by high-pressure fluid and maximizes the strength of the connection. To assemble, the male end of each adapter is threaded into the APC port connector using a hex wrench. I'll do it by hand to start. The hex bits may then be inserted. A torque wrench should be used to assure that adequate torque to provide an adequate seal is accomplished. When assembled, one now has a flange union. The flanges may be rotated to the required port orientation until the flange fasteners are fully tightened. The orientation will be fixed at that time. Again, the flange union can be used to join flange ports that are the same or different sizes, the same or different SAE codes, or the same or different orientations. Here's an example of a manifold made by joining two modular crosses together. Here's another example of a flange union between different sized flange ports. In this case, one of the ADACONN socket head flange adapters is a reducing adapter. Again, the flange ports do not even need to be of the same code. One could join a code 61 port to a code 62 port in a branch circuit operating at a lower pressure, for example, to save on component costs. Thanks for watching.